Hi everyone, I am Arsua Jumli Kasimsiman. I'm going to describe the Earth coordinate system, latitude, longitude, dilat, dilong, and different types of maps and general information obtained from navigational charts. What is Earth coordinate system? A geographic coordinate system is a system that uses a three-dimensional spherical surface to determine location on the Earth. Any location on the Earth can be referred by a point with longitude and latitude coordinates, with a general agreement that the Earth was in fact round and different methodology needed to be developed. The system that has been developed over many centuries is called latitude and longitude. What is latitude and longitude? Latitude is a horizontal line while the longitude is a vertical line, and the latitude is labeled in the equator and the longitude is labeled in the prime meridian. Latitude. Latitude is the angular distance of a place north or south of the Earth equator or of a celestial object north of or equator of the celestial equator. Usually expressed in the degrees and minutes, latitude is the first convention to be developed. This is based on long-term astronomical observation about how the sun is perceived to move across the surface of the Earth. In latitude, the equator is 0 degree. 23.5 degree north and south is the tropical cold Cancer in the north and the Capricorn in the south. The polar circle is equivalent to 66.5 degree north and south. The poles is 90 degree north and south. Next is longitude. Longitude was much more difficult as it is could not be based on observation of movement of the sun. It was in part influenced by the discovery of magnetic north, but ultimately longitude is mostly based on abstract mathematical geometric concepts. Also, longitude is the angular distance of a place east or west of the meridian and Greenwich, England, or west of the standard meridian of a celestial object, usually expressed in degrees and minutes. Difference in latitude, or in short, dilat. The dilat between two places is the arc of the meridian or angle of the center of the Earth contained between parallel latitude through the two places. Dilat is named north and south according to the direction from the first place to second. Rules in getting the dilat: same sign subtract, different sign addition. Sample number 1. From the departure 50 degree and 10 minutes north to arrival in 37 degree and 50 minutes north. So the dilat is equivalent to 12 degree and 20 minutes south. Next is example number 2. From the departure 20 degree and 40 minutes north to arrival 05 degree and 10 minutes south. So the dilat is 25 degree and 50 minutes south. Difference in longitude. In short, dilong. The dilong between two places is the shortest arc of the equator of or smaller angle at the poles contained between the meridian through two places. Dilong is named east or west according to direction from the first place to second place. Rules on getting dilong: same sign subtract the small number to the big number. Different signs add the two. If the result is more than 180 degree, the answer is subtract by 360 degree. Example number 1. From the departure 150 degree and 40 minutes east from the to arrival 110 degree and 10 minutes east. So the dilong is equivalent to 15 degree and 30 minutes east. Example number 2. From the departure 14 degree and 55 minutes west to the arrival 10 degree and 10 minutes east. So the difference of longitude is equivalent to 25 degree and 05 minutes east. Next is map projection. A map projection is one of main methods used to represent the three-dimensional surface of the Earth or other round body on a two-dimensional plane in cartography, map making. This process is typically but not necessarily a mathematical procedure. Some methods are graphically based. There are three types of map projection. First is the cylindrical map projection, second one is conic map projection, and the last one is azimuthal map projection. I will discuss first the cylindrical map projection. Cylindrical map projection is a cartography, any of numerous map projection of the terrestrial sphere on the surface of a cylinder that is then unrolled as a plane. Next is conic map projection. Conic projection are created by setting a cone over a globe and projecting light from the center of the globe onto the cone. Ptolemy's maps used mainly conic. The last type of map projection is the azimuthal projection. Azimuthal projection plots the surface of Earth using a flat plane. Imagine light rays radiating from a source following straight lines. Those light rays intercept the globe onto a plane at various angles. The light source can be emitted from different positions, developing different azimuthal map projection. Next is what is a nautical chart. A nautical chart is one of those most fundamental tools available to the mariner. It is a map that depicts the configuration of a shoreline and sea floor. It provides water depths, location of danger to navigation, location and characteristics of aids to navigation, anchorage, and other features. So these are the different types of nautical charts. So first is navigation chart. Navigation chart contains detailed information about the world's waterways and ocean. Next is pilot chart. Pilot chart weather routes and voyage. Next is small scale chart. Journal chart also called planting chart. Next is large scale chart, coastal or general approach. So these are the symbols and abbreviation of nautical chart. That's all. Thank you.